Folks, ET here, coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Another choppy day yesterday. Was hoping for some volatility, but we really didn't get a whole lot of it. Stuck in a pretty tight range in comparison to how we've seen moving. Gamma range was 592, 586. We did not get to that 592. Calls did rip at the end of the day. Puts were chasing as well, and we're below zero. Very just inconsistent data there. Nothing was all that great. DEX, just a small green bar. That's 3 in a row. So we've continued up for the most part, and that makes sense there. Whale targets, 590 is now on the board. We've not quite gotten all the way there yet, I don't believe, so we'll keep an eye there. I think we have PPI before the bell, and Papa Powell talks today. So we will see how that all turns out. We could see some volatility. Anyhow, 590 down to 550, a nice range if we could actually start to move a little bit back and forth. And customers are still in that sort of, I would say, mid-range of a buy the dip mode. They're in that buy the dip mode, but it's not very large. Bars over here are much bigger, so we'll see. We'd like to see one more big bar up, but we will get what we get. Some dark pools, signature prints, nothing to worry about at the moment. Largest ag walks down again to 553. Interesting to see there. We have seen dark pools walk up though as we moved up. We didn't have anything above like 570 for a little bit, but now we're starting to get up there into the 586. We're at about we're about 855. Hold on, what am I thinking? We're about 585 in the pre-market session. Had a brain stutter there and just started throwing out random numbers. So here we go. 585, right around this level right here. This 586, see below, the ag is very messy. Not a fan, to be honest. So we have 588, a big repel, another repel at 575, another one down here at 579, and one at 575. My goodness, I am struggling this morning. Anyhow, let's jump into today's to see if it gives us a little bit of a cleaner look, because right now we do not have a very clean look. Nope. Today is a wreck as well. Above 585, we've got room to 588. Yay! To break through all that and all this positive gamma here, we'd have to get up to 597. We'd have to bust through this cluster. If we can't hold 585, then we have a small stop at 583 before we see another one at 575. Biggest pull, though, is right in the middle of all this trap gamma. Great. And then the next biggest pull is down here at 582. What a garbage gamma look for today. Pay attention to net flow. Pay attention to 0 day. Let's see what shakes, because I do not like this one bit. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.